Rises how much population is added every year in the world population. There are more than 77 million human beings are added every year to the world population. Such a growth leads to crowding, population destruction of habitats and exhaustion of reserves of resources. Next question arises, what are the ways to control this population? In the developing countries, the growth rate is no doubt high, but it can be controlled by a number of methods like increasing literacy level, social justice, enabling women to hold jobs, etc. Now, the question also how much carbon dioxide has been added in the past 100 years and what it can be attributed. There are 28% carbon dioxide has been added in the past 100 years and which is attributed to burning of fossils fuels like coal, gas, and oil, growing industrialism, transportation, and use and other chemicals have resulted in the release of many pollutant, pollutants in the air. What is the principal cause of growing population of the city? The principal cause of growing population of the cities in the migration of people from the rural areas to urban areas. This happened because of the increasing industrialization in the cities. In Netherlands, 90% population lives in cities. What are the population or problems of slums? The problem of slums are very low, little space for housing, water scarcity, electricity scarcity, open sewage, flooding during rainy seasons, etc. Now, the things constitute the social facilities. The things constitute the social facilities are parks, gardens, wells, street lights, playgrounds, community halls, etc. It is used by all the people living in an area. Why are the forests burned? Increasing human population requires more food, therefore more areas has to be brought under cultivation. It is done by the removing forest. At some places forests are deliberately burned to immediately use the area for cultivation. Now I am giving you question answer of this chapter. Please write down on your copy